Looking for excellent quality, performance, and reliability? Get the best in every category with NorthStar. Melt through and wash away the toughest grease and grime with this hot water pressure washer with wet steam, which delivers 3.5 GPM at 3,500 PSI. Get quiet, reliable performance from the Honda GX390 engine. And a Cat 66 DX direct drive pump. Power through grime with consistent heat thanks to the downdraft burner with seamless coil, which also provides up to 35% increased fuel efficiency and an industry-leading 150-degree temperature rise for more effective hot water pressure washing. Get extremely accurate temperature regulation and increased fuel efficiency with the adjustable digital thermostat. Optimize performance with the 250-degree wet steam mode that delivers an unbeatable combination of high heat, high impact, and high flow rate. With the large 8-gallon fuel tanks, it delivers extended run times so you can work longer with less refueling. Melt through grime and grease with this hot water pressure washer with wet steam from NorthStar.